everyone. Today we're going to be making the perfect afternoon tea cookie, like a biscuit. It's basically like a biscuity cookie, St. Patrick's Day edition, because that's the next holiday coming up. So we're going to start off with some all-purpose flour. We are going to also add some salt and some baking powder to that. Now, I would like to say I did accidentally use the wrong flour, and I think that's why it made it a little bit puffy. It's self-rising flour, so it still came out, but you're also going to be adding some granulated sugar. Then you're going to be adding some softened / melted butter, 1 egg, and some vanilla extract that I'm trying to show you that I was measuring, but it wasn't in the frame. Okay, so you just store it on up. And I did add some whole milk because it was a little bit too dry, but I accidentally used too much milk, which made it too sticky. And that's a problem when you're making cookies, so I had to add some more flour to even it out. So just a warning, don't add too much milk because it will make it too sticky. Like that. You want it to look more like this, where it doesn't really stick to your hands. So yeah. Okay, so I did add some green food coloring. It was like a gel, and I just mixed it in because this is specifically for St. Patrick's Day, but if you're making this for a different holiday, you could change it to red for like Valentine's Day, or like orange for like the fall time, or like something like that. It's up to you. And then I just put them on some parchment paper and just rolled them into like little balls, and then I just kind of flattened them out after that. So I did add some of these cute green sprinkles, which makes it 10 times more festive in my opinion. By the way, all the measurements and stuff that I kind of used will be in the description if you want them. Also, you are going to need to preheat your oven. Oh my goodness. Your oven to 350, and you're going to bake these until they're golden brown for like 6 to I would say 10 minutes. So then I put them on this cooling rack. Don't they look so festive? They are literally the perfect tea time cookie. They're not too sweet, and they're not too unsweet. They're the perfect in between biscuity cookie. Look how delicious they look, and they were actually really good. So I recommend trying them out if you want. You can subscribe to follow it close, and I will see you all later. Toodaloo.